What's up YouTube? Back in another video. Today's video we're gonna be looking at, well, yes, one of my videos I'm gonna be doing today on Friday on the 5th. Certifying AirPod cleaning under the microscope, ASMR deep cleaning. So let's do it. I know, I seen this thing on Snapchat. I went across the video because I seen this thing on Snapchat, and like, you know, they have like different like the things that we have random stuff in the stories and stuff like that. And then I seen them clean their AirPods, and I don't know, it seems satisfying to me. I don't know. It depends with how deep it goes. Yeah. Let's get into it though. Let's see. Ew, how does AirPods get that dirty though? What? Those AirPods get the mine's not even that dirty. You see mine's right here. Mine's not that. Let me see. Mine's not that. This too clean. It's not as clean I want it to be, but it's pretty clean. It's not as dirty. I want new ones though, but see. But the inside, the thing right here, it's not that clean. But it's not as dirty like the one, like it's that, like the one I'm looking at though. So. This is disgusting, bro. Let me see the inside actually. Oh, the inside not that bad. But the things are disgusting. Look at those. Ew. Look at all that air plaque in there. What a thing? Airwax in there. That's the air plaque. Airwax. Ew. How do you AirPods get that party though? AirPods, you don't never clean their ears. You can tell. Clean my ears every day or every 2 days. Ew. Oh yeah. Yeah, that is disgusting. I don't know. Ew. Yeah, I'm not gonna blame you if y'all don't watch this video. It's disgusting. Ew. Ew. I can't look at this. Ew. How do your AirPods get that dirty though? Oh my god. I look so bad. If you're eating, I would not look at this video. Your ears should not be that dirty though. What are you doing? Oh, those satisfying if I look at the sides. On the bottom. Ew, how do your AirPods get that dirty though? I don't get it. They just put water on it? What they do? What the? I don't even put water on the side of this. I don't know what that you put on there, but there's something on there. Your AirPods should not be just dirty though. It's better than it was. Okay, that's okay. That should not be just dirty though. In my opinion. I don't know what is they putting on there. I don't know what is that. Imagine somebody go to you. Well, imagine your friends say, let me like listen to music with you, and they just, then they pause that door. I'm good on that. Oh, you could just write that off with your like regular like disgusting. I don't know how you get that dirty. Makes me want to clean out mine. Mine's not even nowhere near like this. I clean mine out like every I'll say once in a while. I'll say probably like one time a week. It's not this dirty though. Even they clean theirs, not often. I can see that now. I think it might be somebody else's though. Whatever it is, clean with I don't know, gloves. That's pretty disgusting. I'm pretty sure this is. Oh my god, this is that part. Ah, it looks so. Oh my god, looks so nasty. How do you? It's no. I think they did something. There's no way. This cannot be this dirty, man. There's no way. There's no way it can be this dirty. There's no way. No, unreal is no goddamn. Yeah, it's. Oh my god, man. I don't know what they put on there. I don't know what is that. Is that a water bottle? Oh, I don't know what they put on there. I might do a controller one. I don't know. I can't controller my Xbox controller. These ones are bad like the other ones. No, actually the one I just saw, that one's bad. One thing got hair in there and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how a phone get that dirty anyway. I don't know what they doing with their phone. I think yeah, no, it's down. I want to see the final product though. It's clean, but you gotta still clean the thing. Yeah, well, it looks way better now. Thank God, that thing was disgusting. Well, if you like the video, if you like to see videos like this again, I don't know if you want to see a video this messed up AirPods like that again, but yeah. Make sure to sub and like the video, and I'm out. And give me to 40 subs, and I'm out.